Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic ZWCAD tutorial how to add viewport. So you can go to layout tab and we have this default viewport. You can click and press delete button to delete the viewport. If you want to add new viewport, you can type view, press enter, and then you can click like from this point into here and we create this basic viewport. You also can create viewport by objects, like as example I will create a circle in here, and to convert into viewport you can go to layout. The next you can click in this option rectangular and change into object. Now you can select the object and the object will be changed into viewport. Okay, to add viewport you can tap view, press enter, and then you can click on your layer to create the viewport. Okay, that's it for basic ZWCAD tutorial how to add viewport. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.